Today, in this video, we'll show you how to easily make a pheromone trap at home using simple, readily available materials.
Here are the materials required: a knife, a penknife, a scissor, 2 bottles, thread, pheromones, small piece of cardboard. First, use a penknife to cut a U-shaped opening in the center of the bottle. We removed the bottle cap and made a hole in the center so that we could pass a thread through it. We passed the thread through the hole, tied a knot, and adjusted it to the center of the bottle where we had made the opening. We placed the pheromone trap near the vegetable plants infested with fruit flies to attract and